Hello and welcome back to this Papercraft tutorial. In this second part, we will be assembling the upper body. If you missed part 1, you can click the link in the description box below. We'll start with these 3 parts. The only flap I'm scoring is the one at the neck. As a first step, let's shape the neck part. Then, we join these 2 body sections, starting with the back seam.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you.
Once the back section has been joined, we proceed to the front section.
Sinking in, I know this feels right.
Insert the neck section into the body section from the inside.
Like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
The reference point is that the back seam line is parallel to the neck seam line. Now let's move on to the front section. Manually fold the flap as needed. And always remember to glue the flaps slowly, one by one. Just take your time.
Golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
And we've successfully built our first 3 parts. Let's continue. Move on to the shoulder section. Be careful when placing these 2 parts. Make sure not to mix up the pieces. Here, I'm attaching her left shoulder first. Use the flap as shown as reference. And apply the glue starting from the top.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for, but babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends.
on the right side of the shoulder, we attach another section underneath. Its position is marked by the large flap.
I don't need room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it
Did you wait too long? Tell him that you love him, but he's already gone, darling. Did you make two wrongs? Know that daddy never made a right before, darling. You were never made to be the judge, darling. He never changed his way for me to budge, darling. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark wind and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had.
We must be careful when gluing this small part. All flaps are folded as valley folds, starting with this flap, and done one by one.
Did you say goodbye, knowing damn well everybody gon' die someday? Did you waste my time, knowing damn well we can press rewind? One day I'll be everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat.
And we glue it to the center of the next part.
The sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute.
It's time to join the waistband section and the upper section that we have made.
Everything you ever wanted. Until then I'll be out here fighting like it's nothing. Through the cold dark winter, it's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees.
We need to score all lines on this part.
If I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees, yeah. She asked me if I had another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat, yeah. It's feeling like a cold dark winter and the sun still behind the trees.
Align the red arrow on the support with the one on the body.
Another minute and I ain't had the heart to eat.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out.
For this section, we start with the middle part first. Try to align the ropes from the top and bottom sections.
Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream.
Once perfectly aligned, we begin gluing, starting with the section that has a flap at the end.
I wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
You can see here why I'm starting from the middle. I'm trying to align the small pleats at the front first.
Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's you close and let you go, find someone new. And now this shit wasn't blood, my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true.
Now for the ribbon. The little one goes into a small yellow dot.
Two things can be true.
For the large bow section, we start by rolling the center part towards the back.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same moon boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stall. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go too far when it's written in the counting stars. I tried leaving, tried it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah. Ooh. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart.
We done with bow part, but don't glue it just yet. We will back to arm section first.
Live in a town this small.
All the girls with pretty mouths, they always walk your way. They follow you in cars and bars and even on airplanes. I'm special, yeah, I'm special, 'cause they just don't got, oh, they just don't got what I've got.
I initially glue the first flap so I don't get confused where the left part and the right part.
I'm on par. I'm your trashy little cupcake, dressed in polka dots. So be a loudmouth Yankee lady, baby, you're just the cowboy that I'm looking for. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, I wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, you wanna make it last.
Oh, sing now to me, baby. Won't you sing to me your name? I've been looking for something crazy. I've been looking for something to tame. My sinner still, my criticizing, my hopeless heart that just wants to come on. No.
Yeah, I found you outside, baby, you know I found you standing in the rain. You were holding a pound of heartache, oh, you were wearing it like shame. Oh, if I've told you once, I told you twice, I tell you 3 times, I ain't gonna walk away. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, we wanna make it fast. It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take a while, we wanna make it last. When your heart feels like a cracked windshield, shattered in a wreck, you're too broke to even fix it, and it's all that you got left. Oh babe, I'll take the crumbs, I'll take the keys, I'll take...
After arm section is done, now we can glue the big bow. That's the last step in our tutorial here.
Time to get there. It's gonna take some time, we wanna make it fast. It's gonna take...
If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Since this project requires a significant amount of time and materials, I really appreciate if you like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects. See you again real soon.
It's gonna take time to get there. It's gonna take some time, we wanna make it last.